Good evening, everyone. This is Irfan from Gold Coast. I'm attending this 3-day TerryWhite Masterclass, which is programmed, arranged by TerryWhite head office every year, and this is an annual event which nearly 450 pharmacists are attending for 3 days, learning about pharmacy practice and also about pharmacy full scope, and a little bit about the new strategies that pharmacists can apply. So I thought I'd just make a video and share with you that what TerryWhite does in these masterclass programs. So these kind of booklet that they present to all 450 pharmacists, and it has a like a workbook. Workbook means that it's available on digital platform where you can complete the MCQs and get your CPD points, which allow you to get more than 30 CPD points through this learning. And while we're learning, while we're going through the sessions, they actually ask us to do certain panel discussions or also table discussions where we complete these questions and actions. Action mean that what we're going to do in our pharmacy after those learnings. So these things which we do, and different various topics were actually discussed, and during those topics there were quite a few skin related matters, skin related cases were discussed. Yesterday Debbie has given us a very good lecture on asthma, especially using Ventolin inhaler, not all the time, but use the preventer along with it, which is very important for pharmacists to discuss when patient come for over-the-counter inhaler, especially Ventolin over-the-counter. We need to discuss about asthma plan and guide them that how many canister they're using in a calendar year, and maybe we can try to use some preventer and advise them to get a prescription. If you are a prescribing pharmacist, then you can prescribe and give a action plan for asthma. And simultaneously, today there were some topics about dental hygiene that was discussed, and use of fluoride and mouthwash and techniques which can make a person better in terms of the oral hygiene, especially where infections can become very common if we don't care of oral hygiene. And also about COVID vaccination usage, especially when we are vaccinating flu, then we can mix or offer those 5 other vaccines, which is very important question need to be asked with everyone. So these topics were discussed in last 2 days, and tomorrow is the day 3, and today there was a leadership lecture in the end from Peter Merritt, and he discussed about saying thank you or acknowledging the need of other person around us. Either it can be a customer, or it can be your family member, or it can be your patient. So these things which are one of best kind of training that is available in pharmacy industry, and is led by TerryWhite Pharmacy Head Office Group. And I'm very fond of TerryWhite Masterclass, and I'm attending these TerryWhite Masterclass sessions since 2019 continually, and this is one of the greatest 3 days that we spend, and if we action those learning in our practice, it can make a huge difference in patient and the consumers coming to the pharmacy. Thank you very much. If you have questions, please ask me in the chat box, and I will discuss that with you in next video, or maybe I can answer in the next video. Thank you very much.